Hey, what's up everybody? Mark from Wegs Garage here. I know, everybody's wondering when the heck we're gonna be back to working on our 1964 Triumph TR4, and I promise you we will have more Triumph TR4 content coming in just a little short while, so please stick with us. But this week, I'm actually gonna go back and answer one more question that I forgot to address in last week's question and answer video. And it's a question that Dad and I get a ton of times on our Triumph TR4. So Dad and I get a ton of help from all the Triumph experts out there who will watch our videos, critique our work, answer our questions, and are just like an awesome resource to have. Like it's like half the reason that we make these videos is that we have a whole army of people watching over our backs on this, and it's awesome. So hey, maybe if you're just starting out, you should think about making a YouTube channel. But barring that, I also get a ton of questions from new owners of Triumphs or people who maybe don't have a lot of experience working on their Triumph TR4. And it's all kinds of questions about basic stuff. And I definitely try to help everyone who sends me questions, and I love hearing from you. But, you know, there are resources out there, and today I want to tell you guys about the absolute best resource for working on your vintage Triumph that is available, and it is available for you absolutely free. Check this out. So sorry if you're expecting some kind of really nice hardcover book here. I just want to preface this by saying I don't actually own any of these files. I'm not really sure on the legality of it. But here's the thing. This is the original Triumph TR4 workshop manual. This is what would have been used by Triumph mechanics back in the 60s. Triumph has been out of business for years. They're really not a company anymore. The car hasn't been made for years. You can buy nice bound copies of this, and I highly recommend you do so. But here's the thing. If you Google Triumph TR4 Workshop Manual, you will find PDF copies of this entire book for absolutely free. Because I'm not really sure on the legality, I'm not going to link it. I'm just telling you, go to Google, type in Triumph TR4 Workshop Manual, and download this file. The book is broken down into 8 sections that deal with various different parts of the car. Each section includes all kinds of helpful diagrams and procedures for disassembling and reassembling various systems on the car. So I definitely recommend finding the file, downloading it. It's a pretty big file, so be ready for that. And it's also like 300 or 400 pages, so when you go to print it out, don't just put it on your inkjet printer and hope for the best, because it's gonna murder your inkjet printer. So you probably want to take it somewhere and have it printed out, or you can just use it on your phone or a computer. But it's a really, really good resource. So I hope this is helpful for anybody who's just starting out working on their Triumph TR4. I know it's been super helpful for Dad and I. So that is all I have for this week. Next week, we'll be back working on our Triumph TR4. Can't wait to see you next time. Later.